Here in the video, we are going to talk about Rec Room error code timber. The error reads, unable to log in. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into the game. It appears during the account loading screen and prevents the game from starting. According to our research, the error may occur if your device has incorrect time and date settings, or there are pending updates or network issues are interfering with the login process. Now let's come to troubleshoots for the error. The first thing we suggest is to check and adjust your device's time and date settings. Make sure the time and date are correct. We recommend enabling automatic time and date configuration. Then restart your device and try again. If the error still comes, check if there are any pending updates for Rec Room or your device's operating system. If there are, install them and check for the error again. If the error still persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then reach out to Rec Room customer support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.